Hello everyone and welcome to week 5, phonics lesson 3. So I will just get my sharing screen on. So see if you can beat me. See if you can say the sound that I'm pointing to before I say it. Are we ready? Let's go. O, E, A, O, K. Let's try some phase 5 sounds. Same thing. Ow, oi, or. Split digraph E. Let's do some words. I, the, we, all, are, they, little, one, were, there, asked. So the sound that we're going to look at today is, what do you think? So it makes two different sounds. So first of all, let's look at it here. So it can make a k sound, k, at, cat. However, here it makes a different kind of sound. Sell. Can you hear the difference? K, at, cat, L, sell. Okay, so this letter, the letter C, can make a k and a s sound today. So let's read some words. Are you ready? Sell, well done. We'll put the sound buttons on as well. Oh. About this word, acid, acid. Now we talked about this. Acid is a chemical that can burn, but you also have nicer acids in your body, in your stomach, that helps you break down food. And we did talk about it in school that it is in some sweets, which is why we have to always remember to brush our teeth twice a day. About this word, remember that C can make a central, central. So we could say that our school is quite central to York. We're quite in the centre. We don't have to travel very far for things. So it's basically being in the middle of things. What about this one? Cycle. Now, this Y is being tricky right here. What's it making? It's not making a Y sound. That's right, it's making an I sound. Cycle. Okay, so just like you might cycle to work on your bike or cycle to school on your bike. What about this one? I-C. What sound is that Y making now? It's making a different sound again. It's making an E sound. Remember when we see a Y on the end of words, it's most often making an E sound. So I-C, I-C. About this. Cent. So we talked about this in school. We have pounds and pennies, and in America they have dollars and cents. So cents are a bit like our pennies. What about this one? This one is super tricky. I'll be very impressed if you get this one. Success. Now this is particularly tricky because the two C's in the middle, they're making a different sound for each one. Success. So we have a hard C sound, a k, and a soft C sound. Success. Success. So that means that you have achieved something. If you are successful, you've done well. And finally, I'm sure everybody enjoys this month because it has Christmas in it. December. Excellent. Why does it have a capital D at the front? None of the other words have a capital D at the front. That's right, because it is a proper noun. It is the name of the month. So it's going to be your job now to write some words. Remember, we're going to be writing some words with a soft C sound to begin with. So have a quick look at these words Okay, I would like you to write the words cell, acid, icy. So those 3 words, cell, acid, icy. And then your challenge is December. Because when we come back to school next year in September, we'll have to write December at some point, won't we? On our dates in our books. So cell, acid, icy, December. So pause the video and have a go at writing. Remember Nika's handwriting and see if you can remember a certain capital letter. All right, let's see how you did. So we want to write the word cell to begin with. So we need C, E, L, L. Let's put the sound buttons on. L, cell. So our next word was acid. A, C, I, D. And we always dot our I's and cross our T's when we finish the word. If we're doing our beautiful joined up handwriting, let's put the sound buttons on. Acid, acid. Right, the next one was icy. Let's see if you've remembered what letter goes on the end. I, C, Y. Dot my I. I-C. So remember that Y is making the E sound on the end. If you put an E on the end, you would be spelling ice, not icy. So our final one, the challenge, was December. So did you remember your capital letter? So D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. Let's put the sound buttons on. December. Did you remember that capital letter? Remember, we don't join our lowercase letters to our capital letters. Make sure your tall letters are as tall as your capitals as well. Fabulous. How did you do? So your activity today is a hard C and a soft C sorting activity. So it looks like this. So you've got a lot of words. Your job is to read them. For example, you've got face, cell, cat, car, mice, nice, centipede, cap, coat, centre, celery. You've got a variety of words. Some of them have a soft C, a S, and some of them have a hard C, a K. So it's going to be your job to sort them between hard C and soft C. Now you could either print this off and cut them out, or you could just split your piece of paper or whiteboard in 2 and write the words in the right place. So pause the video and off you go. So how did you do? Some of those words were tricky, so well done for taking your time to read them. So to finish, we are going to read a sentence. Are we ready? You go first. Perfect. So it is often icy and cold in December. So tell the person at home or tell me at the screen which words have our sound in today, our soft C. That's right. Icy has it in and December. Well done. And I will see you for your next phonics lesson. Bye, everybody.